Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do the unboxing of the canvas. So let's start. So the brand of this canvas is Variety Canvas, and it is Variety Canvas Pantonic. So I'll be opening this canvas. So this is the canvas, and it is of 400 GSM. It is acid free, and it is good for perfect for oil and acrylic color, and it is non-yellowing surface, and it has very luxurious look, and it has 10 sheet, and the size is 10" multiplied by 12". So now I'm going to open the plastic of this. So it is an acid free book and acrylic gesso primed. It is a painting book. So now this is the paper, and this is the 100% cotton cloth, and we can use oil and acrylic color. And I had brought it from Amazon, and its price is rupees 299. It is a canvas pad. And so it has a cotton cloth, and it looks like this from back, and it is a non-yellowing surface.
Show me again. This look like cotton, right?
Yes,
cotton cloth.
It is 100% cotton cloth.
And from behind it is like that, from back side.
Yes. So there are totally 10 sheets in this.
It looks like cloth.
Yes. It has totally 10 sheets, and it has a luxurious finishing. It is acid free, and it is 400 GSM. It is acrylic gesso primed, and I told you that it is a painting book. So the product is canvas pad. It is an Indian brand, and the MRP is 340, but we had got it at the price of 299 rupees. 299. And I hope you liked unboxing the canvas with me. So please like my video, share my videos, and comment on them. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and bye.